Since it was founded in 1965, Hakan Plastik has achieved many great milestones as the original manufacturer of silent pipes in Turkey. In 2013, George Fisher, a 200-year-old company, acquired Hakan Plastik, helping it elevate its product and service quality to global standards in order to become synonymous with quality and reliability in the plastic pipe industry. GF Hakan Plastik has two manufacturing plants in Çerkezköy and Şanlıurfa and exports its products to more than 70 countries. The company manufactures products and provides services with 6 sales areas, a training and technology center, and a 650-strong team in Turkey. GF Hakan Plastik makes PVC pipes in both of its manufacturing plants. Equipped with 5 extrusion lines and 3 mixers, the Şanlıurfa PVC pipe manufacturing line produces sewer pipes and pressurized freshwater pipes. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, it utilizes an online control system for sewerage and freshwater product ranges, preparing materials with weight control and supplying materials automatically to the extrusion line. More than 50 fittings, 50 mm to 600 mm, are manufactured at the PVC fitting manufacturing location. The manufacturing plant in Şanlıurfa is equipped with a total of 6 injection machines and a material feed system. The capability of preparing materials with PVC control and weight control in mixing and the automatic feed systems that supply materials to injection machines ensure consistently high quality at the PVC fitting manufacturing line. Corrugated pipes 100 mm to 1000 mm are manufactured in this area utilizing 3 corrugated pipe extrusion lines that use original raw material to make products to European standards. It allows tightness tests of all products by air pressure control technology and raw material feed production by pre-furnace treatment technology. PE100 straight pipes 20 mm to 400 mm are manufactured in this area by 4 PE100 extrusion lines and 2 coilers that use original raw material to make products to European standards. It provides 100% online measurement of external diameter, internal diameter, wall, ovality by radar technology, raw material feeding, and hot pressing by pre-furnace treatment, and production is perfected by inkjet branding. Conducted in compliance with EN standards from raw material input to production of end products in line with our quality standards, our testing procedures ensure that users are provided with the best products. Laboratories accredited by the International Laboratory Accreditation Cooperation and the Turkish Accreditation Agency perform the tests required by the standards for different product groups. All processes and products are inspected by the Quality Assurance Department, from raw material input to loading products for delivery to customers. Certified for compliance with product and system quality standards in Turkey and several countries worldwide, GF Hakan Plastik reflects its total quality approach to all of its processes, as well as production. GF Hakan Plastik has a product range of more than 10,000 items, including superstructure, infrastructure, industrial plastic pipes, and fittings. Offering this diversity to its customers in a fast and accurate way, the company uses stock management systems in both Çerkezköy and Şanlıurfa plants. The 2,000 square meter indoor fitting storage area in Şanlıurfa can house 1,400 pallets and approximately 1.6 million products at a given time. This storage area can also house PPR and PPRCT pipes up to 140 metal crates. This area stocks on average 8,000 meters of products at a given time. Products are stocked back-to-back and not affected by ambient conditions. The system, integrated with the current ERP system, is supported with handheld barcode terminals used for multi-story storage, product retrieval, and shipment. The warehouse management system application allows fast and smooth preparation of products independent of individuals and without the need for searching for the relevant location. 4,000 square meter raw material storage area holds up to 4,500 tons of raw material, is also controlled by the WMS. The 21,000 square meter storage area with an 1,100 metal crate basket storage capacity, where superstructure products are stored, is also managed by WMS. PVC freshwater, borehole, and PE 100 products can be stocked. Once the raw material reaches the plant, the Quality Assurance Department performs entry checks. Then the material is directed to the relevant storage areas by the WMS system. Raw material is also stored in silos. The radar system instantly monitors the amount of raw material in 16 silos located at the raw material feeding point. The materials can be automatically directed to the machines. GF Hakan Plastik Training and Technology Center offers both technical and practical training to all of its business partners with the aim to raise the level of knowledge and awareness in the industry. Different training and seminar programs are available at the center to provide information about both GF Hakan Plastik products and correct application techniques. Representing quality and reliability in plastic pipes from the day it was founded and drawing upon more than 50 years of experience in Turkey and 200 years worldwide, GF Hakan Plastik aims to provide its customers with innovative products that enhance comfort. GF Hakan Plastik reaches its customers nationwide through established entrepreneurs and companies that have a strong reputation in the province where they operate. The company continues its operations to respond to the needs of its customers in the fastest, most accurate, and convenient manner with its products, system solutions, and services in the plastic pipe industry. GF Hakan Plastik gives direction to water.